Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon to the honorable conference participant, International Conference on Social Sciences, Management and Technology 20 and 25. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Fitri Ayu Kusumaningrum as a presenter, and my colleagues team Prof. Sri Lestari and Lucy Nuryanti. We are from Department Psychology. I come from Universitas Islam Indonesia and Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta, Sri Lestari and Lucy Nuryanti from Department Psychology and Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta. I will be presenting the manuscript entitled Scoping Review, Predictors, Mediators, Moderators, and Problematic Social Media Use Among Adolescents. Biography. The first author is Fitri Ayu Kusumaningrum. She is from educational background in the field of psychology. The author is a junior lecturer in developmental psychology and researcher focusing on adolescent studies. The second author is Sri Lestari. She is from educational background in the field of psychology, lecturer in Faculty of Psychology, Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Her research interests are family psychology, values transmission, indigenous psychology. The third author is Lucy Nuryanti. She is educational background in the field of psychology, lecturer in Faculty of Psychology, Universitas Muhammadiyah Surakarta. Her research interests are clinical psychology, disaster psychology, and resilience community. Okay, this is abstract. Increasing adolescent use of social media has raised concern about problematic social media use, or we call acronym with PSMU, which is associated with psychological distress and reduced well-being. Research on PSMU is scattered, so the study aims to map existing empirical evidence on factors that predict, mediate, and moderate adolescent PSMU. Conducted a scoping review following ARSCI and O'Malley's framework and PRISMA guidelines. Search from major database such Scopus, Web of Science, Springer, PubMed, ProQuest, EBSCO, Nature, ScienceDirect, Taylor Francis, Yates, and Wiley. Included 43 empirical studies published between 2015 and 2024. Key predictors is low self-esteem, nervous system, stress, loneliness, and fear of missing out. The mediators, there is emotional and cognitive factors such as depression, anxiety, and mindfulness. The moderators, there is demographic and contextual elements, including gender and parental support. Most studies use cross-sectional design and validated tools like BSMAS or Burton Social Media Addiction Scale and Social Media Disorder Scale or BSMD. Introduction, context and importance of the study. Problematic social media use or PSMU in adolescents is associated with serious outcomes, including psychological distress, poor academic performance, risk behavior, and deteriorating physical and mental health. PSMU contributes to physical health problems such as overweight and obesity through reduced physical activity, unhealthy routines, and impaired family communication. The phenomenon includes diverse constructs, such as addiction, excessive use, compulsive use, dependency, reflecting its complex and multifaceted nature. Research covers various social media platforms and employs multiple methodologies, highlighting the widespread and growing relevance of PSMU. Existing studies show conceptual fragmentation, and methodological limitation, underscoring the need for a comprehensive synthesis to better understand adolescent PSMU. Problem statement, research problem or motivation. Despite extensive research, there is no systematic literature mapping that synthesizes the predictors, mediators, and moderators of PSMU, specifically among adolescents. Existing studies show fragmented and inconsistent findings across various constructs, platforms, and methodologies, limiting a coherent understanding of how adolescent PSMU develops and is maintained. The field suffers from a lack of standardized measurement tools and insufficient longitudinal, cross-cultural, and intervention-based research. To address this gap, the study seeks to systematically identify and categorize the predictors, mediators, and moderators of adolescent PSMU, thereby establishing a comprehensive adolescent-focused PSMU framework to inform future empirical work. Methodology. The researcher conduct a study with a methodology such as research design. The study employs scoping review methodology to systematically explore, map, and identify research trends and gaps related to adolescent PSMU. Research question designed to map the concept of PSMU among adolescents with two key aims. The number one, in identifying and mapping predictors, mediators, and moderators of PSMU. Number two, mapping measurement tools used to assess PSMU in adolescent population. Search strategy, identifying relevant journal database, developing refined search terms to ensure precision and relevance. The literature search was conducted across 11 major academic databases: Scopus, Web of Science, Springer, PubMed, PubQuest, EBSCO, Nature, ScienceDirect, Health, Sage, and Wiley, with the data collection complete 25 December 2024. To optimize retrieval of pertinent studies, we use Boolean search terms were employed. Problematic social media use and adolescent or youth or senior high schools or junior high school, and applied specifically to the title, abstract, and keyword fields. The study selection process follow predefined inclusion and exclusion criteria to ensure the relevance and quality of the review literature. Only English language, peer review, full-text empirical journal article involving adolescent participants were considered eligible. All retrieved records were imported into Zotero, where duplicate entries were removed, followed by blind screening of titles and abstract conducted independently by two researchers. Any discrepancies were resolved through consensus. The overall selection procedure was systematically documented using Prisma flow diagram. Data extraction was conducted using a standardized format that documented essential study information, including article details, sample characteristics, measurement tools, predictors, mediators, moderators, and key findings. All extracted data were subsequently validated to ensure accuracy and consistency. The synthesis and reporting of findings follow descriptive analytical procedures aligned with Arski and O'Malley's framework, enabling to systematic organization and presentation of results. This approach provided a comprehensive and structured overview of the existing research on PSMU among adolescents. This is a Prisma diagram. There are three steps. The number one, identification, the number two, screening, and the last one is included. There is a step records identifying from Scopus, WOS, Springer, PubMed, PubQuest, EBSCO, Nature, ScienceDirect, Telefancies, Sets, and Wiley, and is the number of the article. After that, we records remove before screening, duplicate removes, records remove. The number of article is 347 articles. There is a record screen, so reports show for retrieval, reports not retrieved, and reports assessed for eligibility, reports exclude from not English is a 10 article, proceeding or not or chapter is a 40 article, not empirical studies is a 66 article, not measure PSMU is 159 articles, not adolescent is 79 article, special need adolescent 4 article, PSMU as not an outcome variable is 33 article, and not regression is 60 article. Studies included in review, the final article is 43 article. This is a display for the summary for the reported the final studies from the 43 article. Respondent, and there is a measurement and reliability, and the column this is a predictor, and this column for the mediator or moderator. Okay, there is a 14 article, and this is a narrative for the display from the previous table. A total of 695 articles were retrieved from 11 databases after removing 347 duplicates and 11 inaccessible full text. 337 articles proceeded to screening, resulting in 43 article eligible studies following strict inclusion and exclusion criteria. The 43 selected studies come from 15 countries, with China, Netherlands being the most represented. Adolescent participant ranks in mean age from 24 and 47 to 16.88 years, reflecting broad development stages. A diverse set of PSMU measurement tools was used, including the Social Media Disorder Scale, Bergen Social Media Addiction Scale, SMAQ, JPUS, SMLQ, CUS, VAQ, and other platform-specific or mobile use scale. Frequently examined predictors include gender, age, self-esteem, family support, stress, parental screen time, as well as depression, loneliness, social support, FOMO, and school satisfaction. Identified mediators included depressive symptom FOMO, loneliness, perceived stress, maladaptive cognition, body image, dissatisfaction, mindfulness, and rumination, whereas KISS moderators involve gender, age, family support, socioeconomic status, social capital, peer relation, and school pressure. Personal predictor consisted of emotional intelligence, sensation seeking, self-esteem, social anxiety, and rumination, while demographic predictors involve gender, age, socioeconomic status, and migration status. Precipitating factors included intense social media use, FOMO, cyberbullying, peer victimization, academic pressure, and negative comments. Protective factors encompass parental monitoring, life satisfaction, offline social support, positive parenting, emotional regulation, mindfulness, resilience, social connectedness, and sleep quality. A wide range of risk factors was identified, such as parental PSMU, parental pibing, parent-child conflict, peer pressure, sedentary behavior, loneliness, depression, narcissism, psychopathy, emotional dysregulation, childhood emotional neglect, and antisocial behavior. Key family-related predictors include parent-child conflict, childhood emotional neglect, parental pibing, parental problematic use, and general family functioning. Important peer, school, and social predictor comprise peer victimization, peer pressure, social norms, supporting excessive and social media use, and academic or school-related stress. Discussion. The number one, understanding the role of predictors, mediators, and moderators. Identifying predictors, mediators, and moderators is essential for understanding the mechanism behind PSMU. Mediators allow researchers to test causal pathways rather than simple association, improving theoretical interpretation and intervention development. Integrating these variables early strengthens research validity. Support from meta-analytic research. Meta-analytic findings support the predictors identified in this review, showing that social anxiety, parent-child relationship, online social support, mindfulness, and personality traits significantly relate to PSMU. Attachment influences PSMU via social anxiety, online interaction predict digital addiction, and poor parent-child relationship relate to problematic internet use. Personality traits and low mindfulness further reinforce these patterns. Mediators identified in this review. Key mediators include FOMO, depression, perceived stress, social support, psychological insecurity, body image dissatisfaction, mindfulness, rumination, and resilience. This factor explain how predictors influence PSMU, consistent with meta-analytic evidence linking depression, anxiety, sleep problems, and low mindfulness to PSMU. Mediators in other digital behavior research. The mediators identified also appear across the other digital behaviors. FOMO mediates smartphone and internet addiction. Depressive symptom mediate problematic internet and gaming behaviors. And social support mediate various forms of technology-related addiction. This indicates shared mechanism across digital misuse. Inconsistency in demographic moderators. Findings on demographic moderators are inconsistent. Some studies identify gender effect, but meta-analytic evidence show gender and age rarely moderate PSMU's mental health impact. Research on parenting style also shows weak moderation effect, partly due to limited gender variability across samples. Precipitating risk and protective factors. Family factors can act as a precipitating risk or protective influences. Supportive parenting and family satisfaction protect against PSMU, while conflict, weak attachment, and parental pubbing increase risks. Peer dynamics show similar dual roles. Norms and supportive peer ties can help, but victimization increases vulnerability. Limitation and future direction. The study lacks a clear theoretical framework and doesn't detail methodological or statistical process. Future research should systematically map theoretical foundation, clarify methodological trends, and identify theoretical gaps to advance PSMU research. Conclusion. Summary of contribution. Synthesize empirical evidence on predictors, mediators, and moderators of adolescent PSMU, showing that is shaped by interconnected psychological, emotional, and social mechanisms. Identifies consistent predictors such as loneliness, low self-esteem, neuroticism, and FOMO as key driver of problematic social media engagement. Demonstrate that emotional and cognitive mediators, including depression, anxiety, and mindfulness, explain how psychosocial vulnerabilities involved into PSMU. Highlights important moderators including gender, parental monitoring, and cultural context, which influence the strength and direction of PSMU association. Integrates major theoretical frameworks, IPAC, use and gratification theory, social comparison theory to provide a coherent conceptual explanation of PSMU development. Identifies methodological gaps in existing literature, such as heavy reliance on cross-sectional designs, inconsistent measurement tools, and limited cross-cultural representation. Provides comprehensive conceptual framework, consolidating fragmented findings and strengthening the theoretical understanding of PSMU in adolescent. Emphasize the need for multi-level prevention strategies that enhance emotional regulation, promote mindful engagement, and strengthen family support system. Suggestion for future work. Conduct longitudinal studies to clarify causal pathways and developmental trajectories of PSMU. Expand research across diverse cultural contexts to improve generalizability and capture cross-cultural differences in adolescent digital behavior. Develop and validate standardized psychometrically strong PSMU measurement tools for consistent assessment across studies. Empirically test mindfulness-based intervention to strengthen emotional regulation and reduce problematic use. Investigate family-centered intervention model focusing on parental monitoring, communication, and digital literacy. Explore the interactive pathways among individual vulnerabilities, cognitive process, and social environments using advanced statistic models such as SAM or longitudinal mediation. Inform policy and educational programs aimed at cultivating healthier digital, cultural, and supporting adolescent well-being. Thank you.